Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to edit birth date on Snapchat. To edit birth date on Snapchat, first you have to open your application or visit the official website, that is snapchat.com. After this, make sure that you are logged in and tap on the profile icon located on the top left. Now tap on settings, that is located on the top right. Now tap on birthday section. You can edit your birth date here and then tap on continue. Tap on OK to confirm. And here you go. You have successfully changed your birth date. Now you can provide the exact date for your friends and family to communicate and share the moment with. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.